Good morning students. I hope you are doing well. So in our today's class we are going to do some sums from exercise 6C. We have already started this exercise, isn't it? We have done sums from question number 1. We have done 2 sums from question number 2 also. But what about when there is a 2-digit number that we have to multiply? I am sure you are going to face some kind of problem. You might get confused. Don't worry. I will tell you how to solve, how to multiply when there is a 2-digit number. So let's do question number 2. 9 meter 27 centimeter multiplied by 12. Let's start then. Now see here students, I have written the question here. 9 meter 27 centimeter multiplied by 12. Now focus students. First we are going to multiply 27 into 12 separately. We are not going to include 9. We are first going to multiply these two numbers separately. Okay, let's do it here. 27 into 12. Multiplication 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Into 7 1s are 7, 2 1s are 2. Plus 4 will come down. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 1 is 3. Now see here students, 12 I have multiplied with 21, which is centimeter. So 324 centimeter. Alright. Now tell me students, if I have to convert this 324 into meter, what are we going to do? Yes, we are going to divide it with 100. 2 zeros, skip 2 numbers, put a dash here. Equals to 3 meter 24 centimeter. 3 meter 24 centimeter. Now use this answer and put it here. 24 centimeter, I am going to write it here because centimeter will sit below centimeter only. 24 centimeter. What about this 3? This 3 I am going to carry it forward because 3 meter, so naturally 3 will sit before 3 and 9 only, above 9 because 3 meter 9 meter. Now we are going to multiply 12 into 9. 12 into 9 is how much? 12 into 9 is 108. 9 2s are 18. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10. 108 and 3, what do we do? When we are carrying forward a number in multiplication, what do we do? Yes, we add plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, this one and this one will come down. 111. 111, so write 111 meter. Understood? First we are going to multiply these two numbers separately. I have multiplied it here because if I multiply here only, it will become more confusion. It will be more difficult. It will become dirty. So I am going to multiply it separately here and then find out the answer and then write the answer properly here, neat and tidy. Okay, so first we have multiplied 27 into 12. I got 324 centimeter. Why centimeter? Because I am multiplying 12 with 27, which is centimeter. Alright, so 27 centimeter. 324 centimeter. 324 centimeter, I have to convert it. Why I have to convert it, you may wonder? Because there is a meter and I can easily convert this into meter also. What do I have to do? I have to divide it with 100. Simply 2 zeros, skip 2 numbers, put a dash. This will become 3 meter and this will become 24 centimeter. Then I am going to take this answer. I am going to write 24 centimeter here and carry forward this 3 meter. Why carry it forward? Because 3 meter is, this is 9 meter, so naturally I have to write this 3 meter above this 9 meter only. Okay, I can't write 3 here because meter. I have told you in metric system units are very important. So we always have to write the numbers below the same, means with matching with the same units. Meter. 3. 12 9s are 108. 108 plus 3 is 108, 109, 110, 111. 111 meter, 24 centimeter becomes our answer. I hope this is clear to you now. Let's do another sum. Now let's try another sum from your book. We have done 12. Now let's do 11. So now I have written the question here. 9 meter, 27 centimeter multiplied with 11. Now what do we have to do, students? Yes, we are first going to multiply these two numbers. We are not going to multiply here because it is going to be chaotic. So I am doing it separately beside this sum. 27 multiplied by 11. 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2. 0, 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2. 7, 7, 8, 9, 2. Which unit, students? Meter or centimeter? Yes, centimeter, because I am multiplying 11 with 27 centimeter. Now what is the next step, students? Yes, we have to convert it. Why? Because there is meter here. 297 by 100. 2 digits, 2 zeros, skip 2 numbers and put a dash here. Becomes 2 meter 97 centimeter. 2 meter 97 centimeter. Fine. I am going to write 97 here and I am going to carry forward this 2. Alright. Now what is the next step? Now what are we going to do? Now we are going to multiply 11 with 9. Very easy. Very easy, isn't it? 11 nines are how much? 99. 99, 100, 101. We have to add 2 also. So 101 meter. 101 meter. So our answer becomes 101 meter 97 centimeter. 101 meter 97 centimeter. Alright. Now let's do one more sum. Now let's do question number 3 from your book. This question. 12 meter 34 centimeter into 5. Let's try one single digit number. What are we going to do? We are going to do it separately here. 34 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 170 what? Centimeter, right? I have to convert it into meter because there is meter here. So what will it become? What divide it with what? 2 zeros. So I am not going to write it again, means skip 2 numbers and put a dash here. So it becomes 1 meter 70 centimeter. Write 70 here. Carry forward 1. 12 5s is how much? 12 5s is how much? 12 into 5 is 60. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 6. 60. 60 plus 1 is how much? 61. So it becomes 61 meter. So our answer becomes 61 meter 70 centimeter. I hope it is clear now to you, students. Now let's do question number 3 multiplied with 2. Alright. Let's quickly do it. 34 into 12. 34 into 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 0. 4s are 4. 3 1s are 3. Plus 8. 10. 4. We have to, convert it into meters. So I am putting a dash here. 0 8 I will write here. 0 8 centimeter. Carry forward 4. 4. 12 into 12 is how much? 144. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 1s are 2. 0 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 4 4 1. 144 plus 4 plus 4. 8 4 1. 148 meter. 0 8 means 8 only. 148 meter 8 centimeter is the answer. Clear, students? So now we have properly learned how to do these sums, isn't it? In the first one it was 1 centimeter, so we were easily able to get the answers. But what happens when there is a 3-digit number? We were getting in these sums in these sums we were getting 3 digits number, isn't it? We were getting 3 digit numbers. Then what did we do? We converted into meter and then carried it forward like this. Okay. Now let's do one problem sum. And I've already told you that we are not going to do those sums which are related to division. So we are only going to focus on those sums which are, related to multiplication. Alright. So let's do question number 14. So now let's read what question number 14 says. Each girl uses a ribbon 1 meter 25 centimeter long. Fine. How many meters will be needed for 16 girls? Do we need more amount or less amount? Right, more amount. So what do we have to do here? Multiply. If one girl is using this much ribbon, so how many what amount of ribbon will be used by 16 girls? Naturally more. And what are we going to do here? Multiply. Now let's solve this question. First we are going to write length of the ribbon. Length of the ribbon is how much? 1 meter 25 centimeter. 1 meter 25 centimeter is the length of the ribbon. Okay. Number of girls. Number of girls equals to how many? 16, isn't it? Now what do we have to find? Total length of ribbon. Let's write meters of ribbon required. I'm simply using statements from your question only, so that it becomes easy. So 1 meter 25 centimeter multiplied by 16. Let's do it separately. 25 16 multiply. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15. 0 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. 2 3 4. 400. Divided by 100 means 2 0 and 4. 2 0 and 4. So naturally it becomes 0 0 centimeter and carry forward 4. Okay. 16 ones are 16. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 meter. 20 meter, 0 0 centimeter. 0 0 means 0 value. So what is the answer? 20 meter. Clear? Only 20 meter. So let's write the concluding statement. Therefore, 16 girls will require 20 meter ribbon. 16 girls will require 20 meter ribbon. I hope this is clear to you now, and I hope you have understood our today's class. So now let's end our class here today. Bye everyone.